Hi there, my name is Mehmet Moustafa. I was born and raised in North London. I'm currently studying the Level 5 diploma in applied financial trading. Before coming to LAT, my objective was to eventually leave my current job as an estate agent and become a full-time trader sometime next year. As a postgraduate student of international relations and American politics, my fundamentals were always strong, my knowledge of politics. However, my understanding and knowledge of technical analysis for trading was pretty much non-existent, and this was probably one of the main reasons which I chose to study the course. There were several reasons why I chose LAT. Firstly was the location of the campus. By being in the heart of the city of London, which is the world's epicenter of finance, I really got a feel of the sort of environment and time frame of the financial world, let's say. Also, Paddy, who's the dean of the school, he's got a highly reputable career and a wealth of experience, so I was confident that I was going to be taught by the very best, and this has proven to be true. With regards to the course, I really enjoyed studying on campus and getting a chance to mingle with other students. Having said that, the lectures and webinars online are also great. They're very informative and interactive. All the tutors are great, they're very kind, helpful. If you've got any problems with a particular topic or any questions, they're more than happy to help, and actually they go out of their way to help you as much as possible on an individual basis. Lastly, I'd say that I really enjoyed the final assessment, which is the biggest assessment, which is the one month's assessed trading. This has been an invaluable way of applying everything that I've learned and getting a gauge of where I stand in terms of succeeding in the future. Even though I had high expectations of the course has been even better than my high expectations. In the space of 3 months, I've gone from being pretty clueless about technical analysis and trading to being confident and knowledgeable. In my month of assessed trading, I managed to score a monthly return of around 7%, which I was not expecting to achieve so soon. I believe that this is testament to the quality of the teaching that I've received. As a result, I would strongly recommend this course to any of my family members or any of my friends who may be interested in the world of trading.